Hello little artists, welcome to my channel where you're gonna learn how to draw easy and step by step. Today we are drawing in honor to the International Women's Day. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with, I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I'm using a black marker that you can change for pencil. Okay, let's start in the middle of the paper up here. We're gonna do three characters, one down here and another one down here. So I'm gonna start with the one in the middle, and the first thing I'm gonna do here is it's a face. So we're gonna start with a curved line that goes up, and now I wanna do the ear on the left side, a letter C, and now another one on the right side. Then I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna start with the hair going up with a curved line, and now I want to go down, and here I'm not touching quite the ear. I want to extend this line right here. Now let's do the character on the right. We're going to start with the top of the head, and we're going to do a curved line that go around, and now I'm going to do here the same with the hair, but I'm going to start with the ears, a letter C shape, and another one. And now we can start closing the bottom part with another curved line. There. Let's do the hair. Let's go up, and we're not gonna quite touch up there, and do another line that goes down. Now here I'm gonna do the body, and it's just gonna be a rectangle shape that goes underneath. And for the pants, I'm just gonna do two lines in each side. So one on the left, one on the right. And now here I'm gonna do in the middle a triangle shape, just like that. And to close the bottoms, we're gonna do an oval shape for the shoes. One is pointing to the left and one to the right. Now for the arms, I'm gonna do here a triangle shape. So it's gonna look like her arms are in behind her back. Here I'm going to put some details. I'm going to do 3 letter U's all together for a detail on the neck. Good. Now, let's do here on the top a bun. So it's going to be her hair, and that's it. It's kind of like a circle. Now I can finish the hair on the character in the middle. So I'm going to go around. It's kind of like at this height of her shin and go around. Good. Now I'm gonna do here a little line here on the left side, you see, and a little line on the right side. I'm gonna continue with the character now on the left. It's gonna be a little girl, so the head is gonna be a little smaller than the other ones, okay? So I'm gonna start with the top part, just like I did with the character on the right. So this is the top part of her head. Now let's do the ears on the sides, so we have a reference. And now let's do the bottom part, joining these two together with a curved line. Okay, from here I'm gonna go up, and I'm gonna go down with the curved lines, so that's her hair. And for the body, I'm gonna do a rectangle shape underneath the circle. So we're gonna go like this. And now I'm gonna do some sleeves. We're gonna do 2 triangles on the sides of this rectangle shape. And now I want to finish the top of her head with 2 ponytails here. We're going to do 2 rectangle shapes, and then we're going to do 3 letter U shapes. They go out of those rectangles. Now this girl is going to be wearing shorts, so I'm going to do 2 lines, and I'm going to copy what I did here with that triangle shape. And now we're going to close this on the bottom. I'm gonna finish the arms, and I'm gonna go here on the right side. I'm just gonna go with another curved line. It's like her arm is behind her, and this arm on the right is gonna have 2 lines, and now upside down letter U and 3 letter U's that goes together for the fingers. Now for the legs, I'm gonna put 2 lines here underneath the shorts, and I'm gonna try to do the shoes at the same line of the other character, okay? So I'm gonna do here one of the boots, and the other one is gonna be pointing to the right. There. Now let's finish the character in the middle. This is gonna be here. The body is 2 lines, And now short sleeves is 2 triangles, and here I'm just gonna do a line. And if you have a space here, just close this with a line if you still have a space, and the same for the hair. We're gonna join this here. And we're all done with the bodies. Now let's continue with the faces. I'm gonna do the little girl first, and it's gonna be 2 U shapes, upside down letter U's. And on the sides of these U's, I'm gonna put here 3 lines for big lashes, okay? Now this girl's gonna have a teeny wincy nose and a big smile there. Now for the character in the middle, is gonna be more like a mom, and we're gonna do 2 oval shapes for her eyes. Her eyes are open. We're gonna fill those eyes with black. Now the nose is gonna be like a letter J, and it's gonna have a big smile. Let's do a big curve line. The third character is gonna be more like a grandma. So we're gonna do tiny eyes. It's gonna be also upside down letter U's. I'm gonna put 2 little lashes on the sides. It's also gonna have a really small nose, also a small smile. Now to make it look more like a grandma, I'm gonna do here 2 lines on the side of her mouth. To finish off, we're gonna do 2 circles for glasses around her eyes. So I'm just gonna go around her eyes, and I'm gonna do 2 lines that goes to the ears. And there, we finished the faces. The last detail here in the middle, I'm gonna put a heart. So I'm gonna follow this line here, right here in the middle, and I'm gonna put a dot in between the girl and the grandma. And down here, where the line of the shoes is, we're gonna put another dot. Okay, now I'm gonna go and I'm gonna use this dot to go up and around. And I'm gonna pretend this line passed in behind grandma and goes to the second dot. Now let's do the same in the other side. And if you don't have a space for a heart here in the middle, just use whatever space you have left, and your heart can be smaller, okay? That's no problem. And there, that's it. We finished this picture of 3 different women, 3 different ages. And here's where you can stop the video if you want to copy something we did. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, that's it for today's video. Here, I almost forget that I didn't put the eyebrows in my character, so I add that into this ones. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more lessons like this. See you next time.